Okay, I have a video here for trying to find out why the ice maker stopped working on this GE Profile refrigerator. Just to make sure you can hit this to make sure the ice maker is in the on position. And assuming it is, if it's not, just push and hold that. And what you can hear this ice maker doesn't make ice, and it makes this squealing noise every few minutes. So what we're going to do is remove the ice maker and thaw out. Usually there's an ice block sitting at the top of this that's keeping the rotators from pushing the ice out. So that's what we're going to do. You're going to need a 5/16 nut driver, and I think that might be a 1/4 inch. So, and we'll remove it. Okay, we removed the lower cover, and you can see the thermal sensor right here. We're going to pull this out, and we're going to disconnect these two connectors, and then remove this one and slide the whole ice maker out. Okay, so remove both of these connectors here that go to the top ice maker, and we're going to remove this 5/16 nut and then pull the ice maker out. Okay, remove the 5/16 nut, and then this whole piece will just come right out. And if you look down here, this needs to be thawed out, and this will keep, once we thaw this out here, this should allow. Okay, I ran hot water over this cast aluminum piece, and all the pieces of ice fell out. So I'm going to go ahead and reinstall it and turn the ice maker back on. Hopefully this fixes the issue. Okay, looks like check. And you can see it's making ice again. So there you go. It's all fixed. And now you know how to use the touch to turn on the ice maker.